Hi, this is Shanmugapriya. Today we have Dr. Premalatha with us. She is an obstetrician and gynecologist in Motherhood Hospital, Chennai. Welcome, doctor.
Hi, Priya.
Today we are going to discuss about very general topics in pregnancy. First question. Some women have leg swelling during pregnancy. Is this normal?
Most women will have leg swelling, what we call as a pedal edema in pregnancy. Can be a normal one in pregnancy, but it can be also a symptom of increased blood pressure during pregnancy. So whenever you're going for a checkup, the doctor will be checking your blood pressure, but you have a lot of leg swelling, make sure that your blood pressure is normal.
Is it normal for having white discharge, ma'am?
Yeah, white discharge, particularly in early pregnancy, can be little more. That can be normal. But along with the white discharge, if you have any foul smelling, or if the discharge is itchy, or if it's very copious, that is more in amount, you need to see your doctor. It can be a sign of infection. But many women have a discharge which might be normal in pregnancy.
Is it normal bleeding during early pregnancy?
I won't say it's absolutely normal to have a vaginal bleeding in early pregnancy. Sometimes when the pregnancy gets situated in the womb, there can be what is called an implantation bleed. But whenever you have a bleeding in pregnancy, please consult your doctor. Make sure the pregnancy is situated inside the uterus and the baby is fine. But in spite of having a vaginal bleeding, the pregnancy can continue normally. But it's your duty to go and see a doctor whenever you have a bleeding.
If elderly women get pregnant, do they have a normal delivery? Is there any possibility?
Absolutely. Age alone doesn't mean that women can't have a normal delivery. When they are even 35 or 40, they can absolutely have a normal delivery. Only thing is when they become pregnant after 35 or 40, the complications in pregnancy like blood pressure or diabetes can be there in the pregnancy. That can reduce the probability of normal delivery. But age alone doesn't mean that they cannot have a normal delivery. They can absolutely go through a normal delivery.
Can you suggest any nutrition diet during pregnancy?
See, whatever the pregnant women have been taking the diet before, they can continue their diet. Only thing, make sure that they have a lot of fruits, vegetables, nuts in pregnancy. Protein is the important thing for the growth of the baby. So make sure that you take a lot of proteins in the diet, because our diet most of the times it's not very rich in protein. Particularly vegetarian diet is very less in protein. So make sure that you take a lot of protein in the diet. Otherwise, there are no major restrictions in food in pregnancy. Reduce taking outside food, and otherwise you can have your normal diet. Make sure that you have a healthy diet. That's more important. The quantity of food is not important. The quality is more important. You can take a small amount, whatever you're able to do, but take a healthy diet.
Thank you for sharing this information.
Thank you, Priya.